What am I gonna do to celebrate my Friendiversary with my friend Sherry? Granny!
What in tarnation? Oh, you scared me.
What are you doing in there?
I was just drinking my elixir. You know, for medicinal purposes. I overheard you talking about the Friendiversary with cooking with Sherry. I think you should make my moonshine pie. Well, what are you waiting for? Go on now, get.
I do love that pie. Let's do it. I need to start with a pie shell and a bowl. 1 stick of melted butter. I know Granny would have rather me used lard. She loves lard.
You know, Jim, if common sense was lard, not many people could even grease a pan.
1 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix that together. 4 eggs. 1 cup of buttermilk. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And 1 tablespoon of whiskey. I have this tiny bottle of peanut butter whiskey. I'm going to try that out. Mix it together. 3 tablespoons of flour and a shake of nutmeg. Beat until thoroughly combined. Add that to your pie shell. Bake at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes or until set in the center. It is out of the oven and it looks good. It's time to make some special whipped cream. 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Tablespoon of whiskey. 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Whip it good. Looks perfect. Granny will be proud. Granny's moonshine pie. Let's try it. I can smell that whiskey. I definitely taste the whiskey too. The hint of peanut butter, it's awesome. It's very much like a custard pie. You gotta love a custard pie. A custard pie with a little pep. Love that liquor. And you know what else I love? Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. You're gonna have to go over to her channel and see what she's doing to celebrate our Friendiversary. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. Did you hear that Tom Cruise is making a new movie? It's all about making moonshine during the Prohibition. It's called Whiskey Business.
Y'all come back now, you hear?